Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G82, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and find a screen recorder, which for me is on the second page. Once you locate it, you can either tap on it to start recording immediately, or you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings. So in here you have a couple different settings, not very many. I have a viewfinder size. Viewfinder is just a selfie camera basically on the video recording, so if you want to utilize that you can. And this is going to show you the actual size on your screen that it will create, so you have small and large one. So you can choose whichever one you want. Resolution is already set to the highest one, so I wouldn't recommend changing that. We have record time limit, so you can set up a limiter, so how long you record, and it will automatically stop it after it's reached. We also have file size limit if you want to select that, and record touch points, meaning it will record on the video recording. It will show where you are actually touching the display with a semi-transparent grid dot. So anyway, let's close this and get back to the toggle itself. Tap on it this time around, select start. It will start a countdown from 3, at which point it will be recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. So if you open up some kind of apps, obviously they will be recorded. And once you're done with the recording, you can tap on the square right here to save it, and that video recording, screen recording, will be saved to your Photos application. As you can see right up here, you can tap on it, and it's already playing back. So that is how you can record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.